Hi! So, today, kukunin namin yung susi dun sa bago naming place. So, it will be a place na tatawagan naming home, our own space, our safe space. We're also gonna be moving few of our stuffs kasi maliit lang yung kotse, kaya few muna. Let's also try to look for appliances and furnitures para dun sa unit. So, come with us as we move to our new place.
Grabe ang aesthetic. Hi guys! We're here at the unit na and we're gonna drop off some things lang kasi we just got the keys today.
Aliwa lang kayo sa boy. Future bell boy.
The first time na i-open ang unit nang siya na ang owner. Empty apartment door. Yes. Meron bang lights? Warm light. Kaya pala ang ganda. Kasi lagi warm light. Kasi dito sa kusina, sa may entrance, warm light. Pati sa silver. Tingnan nyo naman yung gym. Solo pag nag-gym. Oh, ganap na ganap. Ay! Pang legs. Ganda ko eh. Ano daw?
Hamstring yun. Sa hamstring, baliw. Yan. Yan. Mas nakakapit. Alam ko na adjust siya para maging quads. Alin?
Galing. Uy, babakasyon na yun siya. Babakasyon na yun siya sa amin. This is the game room. Bilyaran, tambaya. And I think meron ditong PlayStation. Pero hindi pa ata siya nakaset up. Oh, very nice. And this is the kids' room. Ano yung kid? Grabe. Namulag. Gusto lang toys. This is the media room. Dito pala sa Manila. We also have function room. For now, it's free. Pero someday, someday, magkakaroon siya ng bayad. Pag madami ng tenants. Dito na magpapadespedida ang Bibi. Ganito siya pagbukas yung lights. Sobrang ganda! This is the craft room. Oo, may aso. Art. Craft room. If you are artistic, creative, pwede dito. Siguro pwede ka mag-paint. Pwede ka mag-paint, pwede ka pottery. Kasi may ano naman, hugasan. This is the co-working space. Pwede ka dyan mag-work para kang nasa cafe. Oh, relax ka lang dyan. Gusto mo phone lang. Ito po, another table for work. If you wanna work while standing up, pwede dito. Oh. While standing up. Wala ka stand up. Nakatayo. Tapos, ito, wala lang. Puan, tambayan. Grabe ganda. Ganito sa Maynila ang amenities. Grabe. Tapos ito yung view mo pag nag-work ka. What if mag-work ako dito tapos dala ko yung monitor ko lang? Taste test. Ang cute. Ang sarap. We're going home. Ay, hindi pala. Punta pa kami sa mall. Ipapasyal lang namin yung bata. Pasuwi na kami. Walang mirror. Sarap siya na mag-picture.
Okay, so I just want to say that what I really love about our things is that most of them are from IKEA. So, alam niyo yun, like hindi na kami mahihirapan mag-mix and match ng colors and such kasi hindi kami mahirapan maghanap ng same type of aesthetic. Same design. For example, this is from IKEA. Pwede siyang not just a shoe rack, but lagayan ng iba pang mga gamit. So, my struggle lang is, I don't know where to start.